Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the GA 2100 has power and is on the timekeeping screen. Once done, press mode until the home time appears, then hold adjust until the seconds flash. This opens the primary set menu. You do seconds, hour format, and city code first because analog hands must match digital time. Make quick corrections to seconds and 12/24 so subsequent steps are accurate. This prevents the analog calibration from being offset later. Once the digital base is correct, switch to the hand adjustment function, usually labeled hand or HSET, by pressing mode. Then enter adjustment with adjust and use the right side buttons to nudge minute and hour hands. Short presses move one step, hold to spin quickly. You do this so the mechanical display matches digital time exactly, otherwise alarms and world time will appear wrong. After alignment, press adjust to store the new home positions and return to timekeeping. Make sure both read the same minute. You finish by checking every function. Set a 1-minute alarm, run the stopwatch, and test the backlight so you verify operational status. If anything reads incorrectly, perform a factory reset to clear mode errors, but make sure battery level is adequate first because low power causes misbehavior. If hands still misalign, run the HSET recalibration routine again. If that fails, the movement likely needs service or a battery replacement. Quick tip, always recheck time after any reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.